Whatever, everybody, we are playing more Atomic Heart, and I don't know if I have a virus right now. Hopefully I do not, because I'll be really freaking pissed if there is. But, yeah. I'm back in this game once more, and I can't wait to play. I waited to load a bit, hopefully loads faster and stuff. If it doesn't, well that sucks, but you know. I've been waiting for this moment for a while. Like a while. Let's see, some chips here would be nice. Is there so the adventure trailing your crate is free, but wasting your ammo isn't. Yeah. I do not have any guns or anything like that. Or anything that's great, so yeah. I probably have a rat in my room, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah, what part am I at actually? Alright, cool. I'm trying to remember how to play. What I gotta do is power up the elevator. But I do not know how I'm gonna do that, so I'll just guess. And hopefully find my way. Oh yeah, these two. It's gonna take me a while to remember. Oh shit. Wait. I have a gun. I probably will never use it though. That is crazy, man. Listen to my surroundings a bit.
Employee number 403267A, convicted of the unauthorized distribution of confidential data, is ordered to report to social control immediately.
So I remember in my area where I have been and where I've not been. Because I can barely play this game only on Wednesdays. So it's going to take me a while to figure out what I want to do.
Hey, let's put a cookie in there. Yeah, even locks like cookies, right? Charles?
Yes?
Do you like cookies?
Ahem.
That's a question that he doesn't even know.
This is a passive security system with a laser relay. I've seen stuff like this plenty of times. You need a color code.
Unfortunately, we don't have any codes. You'll have to try to decipher it using logic.
Seriously? Like I was gonna stand here until it turns off on its own.
Okay, passive security relay. Okay. Unlock the passive security relay functionality by putting the magnetic... Is my glasses dirty? Holy shit, I think they are. Fuck. I can barely see. But anyways. So...
Try to match the colors of the laser beams with the colors of the lights. That should help.
Yeah, the power's on.
Oh, God.
Let's head back.
I don't even know what I was doing though. I don't want to hit that. That thing feels like it's going to explode when I hit that. So I guess I got that done. I'm gonna try to move faster because I was.
Well, which one?
I suggest the one on the right.
In other words, you don't actually know. In that case, I'm taking the one on the left.
Let's see.
I've marked another waypoint for ease of navigation.
How dense do you think I am? I know where I need to go to complete my mission.
I was only trying to make things easier for you.
You can make things easier by getting off my grill. Hey, Chaz.
Charles.
Yeah. So, how'd Petrov get away? There are more soldiers here than civilians.
Some people believe that Petrov had help.
So he's not alone. But you said all his partners were eliminated, right? Who else is there?
That information is not yet available. We only have speculation, not facts.
Well, I'll cross that bridge when I get there.
Try to avoid dying. The scary part of this game is dying right now. Dying means you start all the way back over from the beginning. And I don't feel like doing that, so... Avoid danger, mechanical, relax that. See you know what I'm doing. I think I have a limit on how much I can do this thing. Is that another save? What is this? It is.
Saving data.
That's a whole cartoon here. What the hell? Horse Looney Tunes kind of thing. No way is this like an actual cartoon. Oh, what the? What happened? Did I click on something? No, I did. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, cool. I guess you could like watch the whole cartoon right there. That's awesome and everything, but like, why is that the case?
If you recall, the door is electromagnetically locked.
Are you freaking deaf or something?
Pardon me, please continue.
Shock beats on enemies. Shocks or even kills them. AtomicHeart them? Auto to electric. I like to sneak up on these. I see that rat keep walking around. Damn. I wish I could kill it. Oh, fuck me. Ah, shit. Move out of the way! You son of a bitch! Move out of the way! Get off me! Get the fuck off me! Fuck. Let's go. Yeah, that's what you get, you piece of shit. I'm gonna need to keep using this axe for a while. Oh, is there any loot? Before I start getting my ass whooped. What's going on here? Oh, another save. And another cartoon, cool. I'm gonna, like, I could watch that all day if I wanted to, but it's like, nah, for any time.
Saving data.
Alright,
Please select the desired procedure.
I like one. Make my weapon stronger if I can. Okay. Crafting I already have. Let me see, can I make brick? Oh, cool, I can use this. Increases elemental damage dealt by the... Oh! I can't see shit, actually. Okay. And I'm assuming I'm not having enough materials I wish I could have. Location. Bad weapon. It's my main weapon, so I gotta upgrade that shit. Put my gun in here for now, because I don't know what I'll be doing. Let's save again.
Saving data.
Let's go. I like to I'll be able to.
The Vavilov complex is one of the facility's largest subdivisions. It comprises of dozens of workshops.
This is work or no? This is all messed up. Please be any healing items. Whoa, 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 whoa. Those are traps or something? Oh, shit! Okay. I see. Ow! Ow! I should stay on the side.
Vavilov complex.
You can swim through polymer. I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins in the ocean. It's so peaceful.
I just died. Wow. I lived! I thought I died for a second. Oh, it regained HP too. Oh, that's cool. I died again. Fuck. Piece of shit. I keep getting hit with that thing. I didn't get killed by anything. I got killed by environmental statuses. Oh, damn. Very dangerous situation here. Okay, cool. I'm ready. Let's go. Come on. That was something stupid, okay? Very stupid. I just got killed by something stupid. Alright, I gotta move. Fuck. I gotta. Wait, where did I.
Intellectual property of the Communist Party and may not be
There's no other way forward. We have to take it.
Take it where?
Petrov escaped while working in Vavilov's cold workshop. It would be logical to begin our search there.
So, how do I get there?
First, we need to get to the distribution center. This cable car will take us there.
Run. Oh! I don't know if it's gonna be coming towards me or not.
You can swim through polymer. I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins in the ocean. It's so peaceful.
Where is it? Run! Run! Oh my goodness. Oh, where am I? This is spooky.
You realize who the real creator of this pathogen was, don't you?
It's like a stall. Help! 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 I can't.
How am I supposed to restart the line?
There should be a control panel nearby.
You don't say.
This is Icarus, the world's first autonomous urban base. This enormous flying platform easily houses the Chalamet Research and Development Complex, a part of Facility 3.
back here.
Saving data.
We're now witnessing a glorious new era.
Why is this thing bugging me? Like this guy right here is just the only
This is Icarus,
glowing item here.
the world's first autonomous base.
It's like this guy. I'll be here to remove that.
There's the control panel. And of course it's locked. You guys just love these things, don't you? But this is a new one. A combination lock. It'd take me a year to guess the combo.
Look around. Maybe someone has the code. Something's got to move. Anything.
What was that?
Station master. What a joke. They won't go without a schematic. All stuck. No schematic. No go.
Fuck me, he's alive.
Schematic. Need a schematic. Unfortunately, he's dead.
Autonomous era.
We are surrounded by corpses. Why have you frozen just like everything here? They won't go. Nope. Won't go without the schematic.
Holy fuck. A talking corpse.
We're now
They
witnessing
won't go without a schematic. All stuck.
Holy fuck. A talking corpse.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Guessing I gotta go in there. Let's go. Yeah, I know. Okay, hold up.
We're now witnessing
Okay, hold on, I'm confused. Oh, up there.
I think I must be audible. I need to find that piece of paper.
There it is.
Heck did it go? Oh, it's so dark.
Charles. So this isn't a dead person talking to me. It's the neural power in his mind, right?
Crudely speaking, yes. As it fades away, neuropolymer memory temporarily stores the individual's last thoughts.
Creepy.
I gotta take a picture.
How long are they gonna talk for?
I can't say exactly. Somewhere between a minute and a
Like,
couple
I
of
know
days.
it's important, but
But it seems the more time passes after death, the more corrupt the information becomes.
I see. So the stuff they're saying isn't always that important. Poor bastards.
Okay, hold up. Yeah, okay, hold up. I gotta. I don't know. So I'm gonna be taking a picture here. I think it goes like this. There. Okay, got it.
I hope this works.
The cable car line is activated. Welcome.
Let me save.
Saving data.
Sorry, no ticket.
We are ready to depart. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Let's go.
Off we go.
Ugh, this tunnel's messed up. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
I hope I don't fall. Oh, fuck. Yeah, there's plenty of jumping on there, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, hell no, bro, that's bad. This whole ride sucks. Ow. I'm alive though.
Fuck. I knew it was gonna be rough. Shit. You again?
Oh,
Careful.
shit!
There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
Fuck you! Whoa! Fuck you! Oh shit! Damn it!
We need to find a way to move forward. Frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
Not too risky up there. Okay, I suck. I actually suck. It's gonna be like parkour. Random stuff. I can't. It's gonna be really difficult, actually. Hey, I don't know how to like actually park for you. Oh. Jump, tap, jump, and then. Whee! That's your fire. Ah! Damn it, I should probably get fall damage flatlined. Fuck. Alright. Alright, okay. This is gonna be one of those days where I keep dying on stupid shit like that. Damn it. Combat simulate. Oh no, this is gonna be bad too. I gotta refight that stupid fight. Fall damage is gonna be insane too. Fuck no.
Shit. You again?
Careful, there's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
Oh, hell no. Fuck you! Ow! God damn! They kicked my ass. Yeah. Organic monsters go blah blah blah. Alright, I know I got my ass whooped. Don't have to tell me twice. Seriously. Damn it, man. They kicked my ass again. I need to charge up my attack though.
Shit. You again?
Careful, there's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
Oh shit! Hey, oh, damn! Stay down, please. Jeez. I fucked up with that shit, I swear.
We need to find a way to move forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
I'm too nervous. Fuck! Okay, I took damage, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. How do I gotta climb? Oh, I think I get it now.
Holy shit. That was a surprise.
I think I got
I
hit.
agree. You've got quick reflexes, Major.
You bet.
No, I did not get a quick
survive
reflex.
without
That hit me. Ow! I mean, it didn't. Oh, fuck no. No.
Charles, that was a Barov, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was. Barovs can drill through even the hardest minerals at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard to our inevitable conquest of all the planets in the solar system.
Stop! Freaking me up! Oh, jeez! Oh, hell no! Stay down, please! Please die! Ah! Fucking piece of... Whoa, whoa! Damn! And he did a double. He kicked me. Bruh! This is gonna be alright. Ow! Ow! Freaking... Bruh, why are these Mr. Clean motherfuckers so good at freaking close combat with our fists, man? Fucking hell. Damn it, man. I keep dying to stupid shit like this. And now I gotta free fight these motherfuckers.
Shit. You again?
Careful. There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
Oh, fuck no.
We need to find a way to move forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
I gotta look really... Oh, damn. Stop that.
Holy shit. That was a surprise.
I agree. You've got quick reflexes, Major.
You bet. Wouldn't survive without him.
Fuck no, bro. I got torn apart with that shit.
Charles, that was a Barov, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was. Barovs can drill through even the hardest minerals.
Ah! I can't tell where he's gonna come from, man. Ah! Freaking holes. That shit hit. Dang it. I ain't surviving no damn robot apocalypse. Hell no. That, especially those times. God damn. Freaking crush like hit me like directly. Direct hit. I can't tell when it's coming. Alright. Come on.
Shit.
Fuck.
You again?
Careful.
Oh,
There's
geez.
a gap up ahead.
Chill out.
I see it.
Stand on. Oh. Jesus. Fuck you. Oh my god. They rushed my ass, man. I swear.
We need to find a way to move forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the
Yeah,
wall.
I know that.
That's how.
Go. I wish I could go faster. This takes a while. Alright, come on. We can do this. Jesus. Worm.
Holy shit. That was a surprise.
I agree. You've got quick reflexes, Major.
You bet. I wouldn't survive without him. Charles, that was a Barov, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was. Barovs can drill through even the hardest minerals at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard to our inevitable conquest of all the planets in the solar system.
Close combat, shit. Oh, damn, man. Had to hit you hard with everything I got right there. Freaking Christ. Don't get him. X and my ult is like too close. What's in here? Freaking? Oh.
The irony, comrade. I took such good care of those wonderful, powerful, brilliantly designed machines. And now, oh, the irony.
What are you talking about?
The Buravs, our finest.
What's so ironic about that?
Oh, it's ridiculous, really. I was a roboticist here, you see. I was a Burav roboticist. When I heard the robots were attacking people, I rushed here. Wanted to switch mine off. So they chopped me up. I was killed by my own machines. The control panels got buried under the rubble. Now they're on their own, digging God knows what. Like they're sleepwalking or something. I wonder what they're dreaming of without us.
Oh.
You worked on the Buravs?
From day one. Built just about everything in here. Used to be no artificial sea, no fields, no forests or anything here. To say nothing of the cable cars. Just mountain ranges. No, hardly anyone stops to think about what it used to be like here. And it's all thanks to my Buravs. We moved mountains, built the whole infrastructure. They're tearing down what they built. They've got no idea. A machine's mind is like a small child's, you know. It needs love and care, or it'll descend into confusion. The irony, comrade. I took such good care of them.
What are you...
The Burav...
Sorry. I gotta run.
Sure, yeah, okay. The irony, comrade.
What are you talking about?
The Buravs.
Why is there a ban on exporting them?
They're cutting-edge city-building machinery, that's why. Point them at the ground, and in a month, you'll have a complete subway system, or any sort of tunnel. Subways, hell! It's the moon that we're going to use them for. Terraforming. So they're top secret, and their armor is tougher than a tanks. PTA plates, unmarked. Cutting-edge science.
Sorry. I gotta...
Sure.
Hey, this is my stop. What a nice trip. laser wall. That's some serious security. People put them up for a reason. If you see one, that means there's something important on the other side.
Quite right, Comrade Major. The distribution center we're looking for is, in fact, on the other side.
There's no way I'm making it through a laser wall in one piece.
Me neither. I don't trust that. I'll probably get smacked through it and I'll be dead. Those robots know what they're doing, man. Hell nah. I'm gonna probably like get trapped, get tricked into a trap, and then get killed like that. These Mr. Clean motherfuckers are scary.
Honey, you're back. What took you so long? I was so lonely.
Uh-huh. Look, I need to go through a laser wall, preferably alive.
What a silly idea, honey. That's awful risky. You should stay with me instead. I'll do whatever you want.
You make me a weapon to break?
Ugh, just give me laser protection.
Oh, so brutal. I'm shaking. Squirt your polymer inside me.
Don't let her boss you around. We have no time to waste.
Don't listen to him,
God,
big guy.
I'm
He
distracted.
wants to drive us apart. Take off that stupid glove so we can stay together forever.
I see. Do you want me to punch you or tear you apart?
You'd really kill me over a stupid glove, sugar? How would you survive in this cruel, violent world without me?
Easily. It's not like you're actually helping me or anything.
But I can't make things for you out of thin air, sugar. I need polymer and other components to work. Put your polymer inside me
Okay,
so I
what
can
do I gotta
pleasure
get for
you.
laser protection? How do I... Okay, there we go.
All right, I get it. You'll get your polymer and your precious components. Just
Hell no, I
install
don't
the
wanna
laser
get
protection already.
Die like
Whatever
that?
you say,
So,
stud.
the only way
Upgrade
for me to survive laser
initiated.
protection, I need to
Relax
go
and enjoy.
take-
Just promise you'll talk dirty to me again.
I am so gonna punch you.
Yes, yes! Punish me, master!
God damn.
I love dominant males.
Oh, gross.
I won't lie, I'm kind of into that. But as much
Your
as
defense system.
me, I'll have to use a little bit of Charles upgrade here. I don't like Charles too much, but let's see. Let's see. I prefer to upgrade myself. Oh shit, that'll be pretty handy actually. It's expensive as fuck though. Oh, I don't want to. Still got anything for a while. Remember, a froze enemy. I don't want to use Charles too much, but I'm gonna need some power. 5 power at least, and a little bit more HP because I'm oversaved. shenanigans.
Saving data.
Oh wait, I don't think I upgraded my weapon, have I? And I don't want to walk in there. It's a very dangerous situation here. Can I upgrade my weapons a little? Ooh. There's an arsenal of weaponry. I don't really care for that too much. Oh, this is where I can make more health things. I need a little bit. How do I create one? Oh. Okay. I'll upgrade my axe. Because one, I don't want to be dealing with very, very powerful attacks right now. Maybe I could upgrade the steel blade, increase damage. Because they're still kicking my ass, man. I ain't lying. They're kicking my ass in a whole other level, and I don't like that. I don't have enough of that. Shit. What was? Alright, that's fine. Go save now. Because I don't want to be going back and forth for a year.
Saving data.
It's gonna hurt like a motherfucker. Alright, let's do this.
Crap! That hurt! That thing packs a punch. I almost bought the farm there.
What's going on here? Is that another camera?
Are you okay? Is everything ready? Did you pull it off?
Don't worry, honey. I'm right as rain. The operation was totally painless.
Good. You need to leave right now. There's a man coming for you. He's armed and wearing an experimental polymer glove.
Must be Sechenov's guy. Larissa, did you talk to him?
He was attacked by a Burav. We took him to the infirmary and then... I didn't know. I couldn't just let him bleed out.
Well, you should have. It would have saved us a whole lot of trouble.
It scares me when you talk like that.
I'll meet you at the exit. I'm right behind you, honey. I just hope we're not too late.
Hope can be dangerous. Hands up!
Victor?
What's going on?
You deaf? Hands behind your head.
Victor!
The hell are you?
Major Nechayev Special Operations, and that's the last question you get. You're going to Chalamet.
Victor, save yourself!
Chalamet. Of course, Comrade Major. Intrusion.
Huh?
Intrusion!
Hey, freeze! Damn it.
Lockdown in progress.
Oh, fuck. Fighting flying shit now this time? Oh! Ah! They're kicking my ass! I'm out of here! Fuck this shit! Oh shit! Nice shot. Ah! Stupid piece of bird! Get up!
He's pretty good at ordering those robots around. It's almost like they're his property. And he locked the goddamn door.
Petrov ran off with a mobile power source called a candle. It powers the emergency lockdown system. This door cannot be opened without a candle.
I'll find another one. There's gotta be more than one candle in this complex, right?
We need to hurry. Otherwise, Petrov will escape the sector and we'll have to track him down again.
What's this thing?
Charles, what's that birch tree encased in glass in the room down there? Is it the famous PEC 4 power generator?
Indeed it is. The birch tree PEC 4 is a vegetative polymer-based power generator. It's an experimental model, the first step of our program to conquer the distant planets of the solar system.
I gotta upgrade my character. Because that's his physical ability, right? Fucking hell, man. Like, he literally kicked my ass. Oh, no. Okay. Let's continue our way.
So, do I always have to carry it like this?
The candle is a complex, unstable piece of equipment. It cannot be stowed in your backpack along with your other items. There is a high probability of mutual destructuralization.
Like an explosion?
Not necessarily, but the candle would be disabled.
So I'll have to carry it like this. Got it.
The candle is quite durable. You can drop it or even throw it intentionally. Nothing will happen to it.
Oh no, it's one of these ones. Alright, got it. If I can't search for loot while I'm holding that thing, okay. That's annoying. Let's go. Lots of loot.